Now, role of women in creation of family code. How the women play an important role in creation of the family code. है ना? So, women association, as we know that women are not allowed to become an advocate, but how it play an important role in this code. Women association organization has play a very important role in the family code. In 1980s, the women's rights movement groups were vocal about legislative reforms. In 1980s, women's rights will be given a more important, and such creation, such rights will given the special court set up a special court to deal the family matters like related to the women's, because most of the crimes are done against the women only, like rape, dowry harassment, wife murders. So this will be related to the women's. So women are playing very important role in the family code. These issues of gender justice were given important motivating factor for creation of family code. This will be only given the importance to create a family code, because women are not ready to go to the court and they are feeling embarrassing when they are going to the court, है ना? So उनके लिए ही family code को create किया गया है. Accordingly, family code aimed at women friendly. Accordingly means family code का main फंडा ही ये था to make the women friendly to them procedure and make less formal and more accessible to the women and today's each and every woman more easily, especially those for the marginalized sections was set up mostly for those sections who is from belonging from the backward areas. More backward areas, so marginalized means moving from one area from the another area. So mostly this code was made it for them only. For this, a family code intended to rely less on the traditional lawyers and to depend more on counselor to help the parties to the dispute to reach a mutual amicable solution. Mutual amicable means to have a solution more easily, to have a solution of their problem more easily. Mutually they can mutually counsel they कर देंगे, counseling हो जाएगी. They cannot have to go to the higher court and their dispute can be settled by the counselor only. So the counselor were to increase the power of negotiation between the women. Reconcile करना, उनको negotiate कराना, उनको counsel करना, उनके mind को set करना. That was a settlement in the issue as a quantum for the maintenance, like to clear in their mind that what was their maintenance after divorce, custody of the child and where it goes, protection against domestic violence, right of residence in the matrimonial homes. This will be given by giving the counselor उनको advice देगा how they can take the divorce or how they get the maintenance. So one case is given that the need to establish a family code was first emphasized by the late श्रीमती दुर्गाबाई देशमुख, है ना? किसके थ्रू इसको सेटअप करने की डिमांड की गई थी? दुर्गाबाई देशमुख when she visited in China in 1953. Where she had opportunity to study the working of family code, she get the opportunity to study the matter of family code. She discussed the subject with the Honorable Mr. Justice M.C. Chakla of Bombay High Court. She discussed their cases in the court and Bombay High Court and also with the Justice P.B. Gajandharkar and then the judges. She also discussed the matter of the setting up of the family court. When setting up the family court, she also discussed that matter with the PM, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. At that time, Jawaharlal Nehru is there. Several women will go there and decide that there must be a requirement of family court. Family court की requirement है. So this lady will move firstly for demand of the family court. By the Women Association Welfare Organization, individual also mounted pressure for setting up of the family court. Means most of the women or all the women of that area moved to the demand for the family court to provide the forum for speedy justice or for speedy settlement of the disputes. Most of the women association will create it and they will demand for the family court after the Srimati Durga Deshmukh. Okay, so the emphasis of non-advisal matter, because this is on non-advisal matter, you cannot have to appoint the advocate for them. So resolving the family dispute and promoting the counseling and securing speedy settlement of dispute relating to marriage and the family affair, this family code was created. So after this we have known that why this family code is required because this is non-advisal method and this required a speedy just settlement and dispute relating the family affair. There will be a very speedy justice will be there. So this family court was created for this purpose. Nextly, so our next topic, that is role of lawyer and counselor in family court. What was the role of lawyers? Means we have read about the role of women. Now role of lawyers. Now the family court acts as restrict the role of lawyers. Lawyers will not play an important role in family court and enhance the use of counselor. They will use the counselor in spite of using the lawyer because they counsel the parties. The dispute resolution to encourage the mutual amicable settlement. Amicable means without having any arguments. The court requires that the party will consult करके म्यूचुअली अंडरस्टैंड करके उनका डिवोर्स हो जाए, म्यूचुअली अंडरस्टैंड करके दोनों पार्टीज को म्यूचुअली अंडरस्टैंडिंग करके केस को सॉल्व करना. सो दे विल नॉट रिक्वायर्ड एनी लॉयर in the family court. This is peculiar as well as contrary to the practice of other courts also, which commonly employ the English legal method of practice called advisal system, because we know that we are following the advisal method to solve our dispute. In India we are following advisal system where we require a lawyer to file a cases, but this family court does not require this. In the advisal system of adjudication, the judges play the role of neutral arbitrator and decide basis of the merits of the cases presented to him by a lawyer. Means we in the family court advisor system are following, but here judges will play as an arbitrator. Means they can solve only the dispute, not the lawyer. They only have the merit to solve the cases and on the basis of the lawyer. And opposing party means opposing party's lawyers will file the case in front of the judges, but judges will play the important role. The family court acts limits the role of lawyers as an experts or emissary via whom the court may consult for their opinion. Means the family court lawyers will have the limitation that you cannot come here and you cannot go there. Means you have an limitation. And experts means lawyer experts will require, counselor will require in the family court. So they will not have a requirement of the lawyers in the family court. The act does away with the lawyers with the hope to prevent the excessive litigation cost. Why they prevent the lawyers? Why they are not required the lawyers? To prevent the cost, corruption, manipulative and subversive techniques which are required, which are there in the court system extended, and to stop the extended and bitter court battles and refusal to settle or compromise and so on. Means they restrict the lawyers because of this following reason: to reduce the cost of the case, to reduce the manipulation. So for that lawyers have inactive role in the family court. However, critics have argued that lawyers are necessary to help the client with complex cases, and court procedure argued that lawyers are necessary to help the client with the complex cases and the court procedure are in which the counselor may not have any kind of expertise, but some cases will require the lawyer also. So moreover, there has been no mechanism created to ensure the availability of amicus or legal experts. Amicus means legal expert for the concerned need of court. Means they will be not having any requirement नहीं है lawyers के, but in the situation of the cases it was depend that you need a lawyer or not. So accordingly, the family court have routinely allowed lawyers to represent their clients. So normally clients will not know the procedure of the law, है ना, उनको नहीं पता होता. So normally यही होता है कि lawyers will be appointed by the clients and that lawyer will present their case to the court. So in the next para, as described earlier, family court acts has given the counselor high preference in spite of the lawyer. So in order to promote the efforts for settlement between the parties, counselor has given the importance, है ना. However, in practice, the role of counselor is superficial. Means the role of the counselor is not shown anywhere in the family court. Lawyers ही present करते हैं. It was not a very high authority. Majority of the state do not adequately integrate the requirement of a counselor with the legal expertise of the family court. The role of counselor is limited to the task of ascertaining if the dispute can be reconciled. Means most of the state will not follow the counselor procedure, but they will have their counselor situation if they want. So the situation of counselor in court practice is a new idea, and neither the judges nor the lawyer are oriented. So neither the judges or nor the lawyers will have the oriented to this concept. There exists a wide disparities among states with respect to the process adopted to appoint the counselor, their qualification and their remuneration. Most of the states have these points. So their role and counseling techniques employed. So how, which type of expertise will required in which case, they have to see that, and their salary, they have to decide their salary. So their role and counseling techniques employed. While some states have non-governmental organization as counselor, means some states have counselor, but some of the states will not have counselor. Non-governmental official of non-governmental organization are there which are required counselor, but our court system will not require. Others have used trained personnel or individual volunteers as a lawyer. Other institution will appoint this person as a lawyer. So different jurisdiction have different. So different person or different courts having different techniques to have a lawyer. Some appoints counselor, some appoints lawyer. He has given the lawyer importance in the family courts. So they depend upon the situation which they are having.